Hey everyone, this is Ewan here from Lumos. The campaign has been going amazingly well. Thank you again for all of your support. We really appreciate it. The whole team is incredibly excited and we're working really hard to get the product out to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, I wanted to give you a little bit more detail about the product. I'm going to do a very quick unboxing. Now this is not the final product. This is an early prototype that we made. We made about 50 of these for internal testing, for the photographs and the videos for the campaign, and a whole bunch that we sent to beta testers. And so I'll be walking through that. So all of these things that you're going to see, especially the packaging and the design of the packaging, all this is very likely to change. But with that said, I'm just going to dive right into it. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the box. We've got the helmet, of course, we've got the remote, we've got the battery for the remotes, 2 rubber rings to attach the remote to your bike handlebars, the charging cable for your helmet, and a quick start guide / manual of the whole product. Yeah. To turn the helmet on, it's really easy. Just the power button is right here, and when you press it, it turns on. So you get your bright red lights in the back, bright white lights in the front. When you press it again, it goes into the slow flash mode. When you press it again, you get into fast flash, and you press it one more time, you brings it back to where you were before, which is solid mode. And if you download the Lumos app on your phone, you can customize all of these modes to be almost anything that you want. So if you wanted to just turn off the front light and just use the back light, for example, to increase your battery life, you could do that, and anything in between. To turn it off, just press the power button again and hold. And that's it. To charge, there's a flap here. It's covering the port so that it's water resistant. Just lift it up, take the charging cable, plug it in, and of course plug it into power, and that's it. It should take about 2 to 3 hours to charge to a full charge, and there you have it.